Like, y'all, get into the nails, okay? I wish I could put this nail, like, in the phone, okay? I wish I could put it in the phone. My nail girlies, y'all gotta get that. I got a nail drill. Like, I love them real bad. Shout out to TEMU. Make sure y'all go cop that. See, like, dang. What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayan, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing a TEMU press-on nail as well as nail supply and storage haul. So you guys make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you are shopping with the links that I have in the description. Make sure you are also using that code that's up on the screen. This will give you a discount on all the products that you see here, as well as give you different opportunities to sign up for different deals and things that TEMU has going on. So make sure you guys use that link, okay? So we are going to be doing some much needed spring hauling and unboxing, okay? So make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button, and we're going to jump into it. Like, y'all, get into the nails, okay? Okay, guys, first and foremost, I want to start with these. So I found these on TEMU. I needed these real bad just for my press-on nail storage. Like, I switch out my nails all the time, but I like to keep my sets together. And this will help me do that as well as stay organized. As you guys know, I always shop TEMU nails. And one thing I like to always do is if I know I really like a pair of nails, I always get 2 pairs. That way, in case I lose 1 or 2, I always got a backup. So these will help me keep my sets together. So I'm super excited about that. So they're just these little storage containers. They're like the perfect size for me to put my nails in after I take them off, as well as just help me stay organized to be able to see like what nails I got, what nails I want to get, what colors I got, what different shapes I got. So this will just help me stay organized. So make sure you guys go check those out. I will have them up on the screen. 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a 10-pack. Okay, so that is perfect for me. So shout out to TEMU for these. Make sure y'all go shop them. They also had one that was like a 20-pack, I think, as well. So make sure you guys go check them out and make sure you use that code on the screen so you can get a discount, okay? Okay, next up, guys, we have this. Now, this is actually a jewelry storage box, but I got it to keep my nails in and also to keep these in and to keep like all my nail supplies, like my glues, my nail filers, like all of that in. So I am super excited. I thought this was like just the perfect size, and I want to add it to my vanity so I have like a little side that's just like my little nail station. So I love that. So look, y'all, like how freaking cute is this? So that is so freaking cute, y'all. Like, I love that. I love the clear acrylic. I also love that, look, it opens here. And then it also has the drawers here. Here are the little things for me to put for the drawers to slide in there so that I can open the drawers up. But, I mean, you guys can see, like, dang. Okay, it worked. But you can see I can just open the drawers. You can also do it from the side. So, and then there's a bigger drawer at the bottom, which I really love. Like, that is perfect. Like, okay, I'm going to keep all my little nail stuff in there, like my glues and everything. I actually want to see if these fit. It is like the perfect size. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. And they should. Oh, yeah, y'all look. I could literally get all of those in there if I wanted to. Like, I love that, y'all. And I'm like in my little organization bag. So like, I love this. Like, look at that, y'all. Like, that is so freaking cute. That is so freaking cute. Shout out to TEMU. And then y'all know if you get something and you really don't like it from TEMU, one thing I love is they have like hassle-free return. So you can just return it. They do not give you a hard time. And you know, if you get stuff that comes from the TEMU warehouse, your shipping is free, okay? Like, look at that. So freaking cute. Shout out to TEMU. My nail girlies, y'all gotta get that. That is so freaking cute. Also, like, if you do want to use it for, like, your jewelry, like, I get that. That is really cute as well, but I wanted that for my nails, okay? So, we're going to get into the next thing. Let's see, which is this. So, I already pre-opened this because I thought it was something else, y'all. But I needed it so bad. And if you watched my last nail haul, which you should have. I will pop it up on the screen. Make sure you guys go watch that, okay? I said at the end of that vlog, somebody from TEMU sent me a drill, and y'all, I got a nail drill, okay? I'm super excited. I wanted a nail drill so bad. I am excited about this, y'all. So I'm going to pop it up on the screen. That's the one that I got. So here are my drill bits. Perfect. So like when I want to prep my real nail and like drill my real nail, I got all the bits to do that. Also, I have a couple of nails, press-ons that are a little big, and I just want to shave them down a little bit. So now I have everything I need to do that. Okay, as well as like getting the old glue off of my old nails. Like a lot of times I want to wear my nails again, and TEMU nails are priced so good that like before I hassle about a nail, I'll just go buy them again, okay? And I really want to stop doing that because I want to use my nails multiple times, right? So I love that they're priced well, but now with a drill, I can get a little bit more wear out of them because I can just drill the glue off. So I got a white one. This is so freaking cute. And it's like the perfect size, y'all. This one is also wireless. So I could pop this in my purse, charge it, do what I gotta do. Like literally, and I'm always doing my nails at other places. I'm always doing my nails at the most random places. I'd be in the car, at work, wherever. So now I can just pop this in my purse. I got a charger. I got more drill bits. Like, shout out to TEMU. I wonder if it fits in here. Oh no. Let's put it in the drawer. Oh my gosh, y'all, it fit in the drawer. Oh no, it don't. I almost thought it fit in the drawer. That would have been perfect. Shout out to TEMU. Y'all gotta go get this. Okay? And if I remember correctly, this came in multiple colors. I think they had like pink and blue. I just wanted the white one. So shout out to TEMU. I love this. I needed a nail drill so bad, y'all. Like, so bad. Oh, it came with a cute little duster. So when I want to travel with it, oh, I love this. Shout out to TEMU. Make sure y'all go cop that. Okay? You got to cop that. My nail girlies, you need that. Okay? All right, what we got next, y'all? Okay, y'all. So next, let's get into some of these nails. So the first ones I got are these. I'm going to pop these up on the screen. They are so cute. I just wanted something soft and clean for spring. And so I saw these and I just like the nice dainty pink. I like the little pearls that they had on them and the little flowers. So this is what they look like. Let me take them out of the plastic. So this is them. Super cute. I hope you guys can see them good. Like, get into the details. Like, those are so fly. My press-ons that I get are in the size extra small, but they go up to a large, I believe. But so this is those. I will be getting them again. Okay, they are so pretty. I wanted to see just what they look like because I definitely would have got 2 pair of these. Like, I love the little like orchid in the middle and the pearls and the details, just nice and soft. I love those. So make sure you guys shop them. And they also came with adhesive stickers and a filer. Okay, shout out to TEMU. So let's get into the next pair. So these right here are my absolute favorites. I'm gonna be honest, like, I went to TEMU for these nails, and now that I've seen them, I'm low-key mad that I didn't get 2. So look at these, y'all. They look bomb in a pack, so you know they're gonna look good when I take them out. Like, y'all, these just gave me tropical vacation. If you going on vacation, or you're going to if you're going on vacation, or you got like a pool day or a holiday, like Memorial Day is coming up, like these are, now my air came on. If you're going on vacation, or you got like a birthday coming up, or you're going to like the islands, for real, Memorial Day coming up, this is perfect. Like, I love these. These are perfect for the pool. They just feel like, ugh, I love them. I low-key am so mad I did not get 2 pair, but look at those. They give me Little Mermaid realness, okay? Like, I wish I could put this nail, like, in the phone, okay? I wish I could put it in the phone, okay? That's how fire they are. I love the length. I love the square. I low-key wish they were in this shape, but I'm cool with it. Like, they are so fire. This is the perfect vacation nail. I also really like the little packaging. This is cute. But now, I can put them in here. And look, all the nails fit. Look. Boop. Oh. But look at those, y'all. They are so cute. I love the detail. They just give me beach. Vacation. They give me beach. Vacation. Little Mermaid. Ariel could never. Like, where Ariel's nails at? Right here. Okay? Because one thing Ariel didn't have was no bomb press-ons. Okay? She needed them. Make sure you use that code and get you a little discount. And these are in an extra small too. And these look very true to size. These look really true to size. And they are thick. Like, they real thick and substantial. And I love that. Oh, I can't wait to put these on. These going to be my Memorial Day weekend nails for sure. Then we have these. Now, I've had these, but I wasn't sure if I hauled these or not. And I honestly just didn't feel like going back and seeing. But these are so cute as well. So I've had these before, but I had to order them in a smaller size because they were too big. But these are so freaking cute. I love the French manicure. And, like, look at the details on those. Like, they are fire. I love those. I love the pink and white. I love the French manicure. Like, I love those, y'all. And now that I have a drill, I can give myself really clean cuts on the nail if I wanted to make them a little bit shorter. So, shout out to TEMU for those. Those will be on the screen as well. Shout out to TEMU. Oh, let me not forget these. So, the nails I have on are from TEMU too. Y'all have seen these time and time again. Y'all know these my favorite ones. I have these on in in so many vlogs. Like, I just love them. I love the shape. I love the pink at the top. I love the metallic detail. I love the little 3D, how it sits off. I just love them. They just my everyday go-to nail, and I love these. So, I'll pop them on the screen too. Like, I love those. Get into them. Like, I love them real bad. They are so cute. So that is all, guys. I had just got my packages and I was like, I got a haul for y'all because I haven't did a nail haul in a minute. So you guys know what a nail haul means. You know a nail tutorial is coming up because I've had these on for a couple days now and I really want to put these on. I love these too. Don't get me wrong. These are going to be perfect for work and like every day. But these, I can't wait to put these on. So I think in the nail tutorial, we will do these. But the last time we did a vote, and y'all did vote in the comments. So let's vote in the comments, okay? So do a blue heart if you want the seashell and the tropical ones. Do a pink heart if you want these. And do a white heart if you want the French tips. That's how we're going to do it. And I'll look at the comments and see which ones to do. But I know y'all going to say these. Watch, okay? So that is the end of today's vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with another haul. Y'all already know I have a lot of packages. Shout out to TEMU, okay? TEMU been hooking your girl up. And I have a lot of stuff from them that I'm going to haul. I have another haul after this. We have some beauty supplies, some beauty tools. We have some spring clothes, some OOTDs. We have a lot. So you guys stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. No, like, stop what you're doing and go hit that subscribe button. Support your girl, okay? I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys. Get into the nails. Also, guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me. I just now did this amazing ASMR nail organization with everything that I got in this haul. So make sure you guys go support and check that out and follow me on Instagram. Bye, guys.